Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Messenger application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Now from here you want to tap on the three lines icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon to go in your settings. From here, you want to scroll down and you should see an option here that says secret conversation. So if you find that here, just turn it off. So if you can't find that here, what you want to do is to go back and manually search for the secret conversation. Once you find the secret conversation, you just want to press and hold it and simply delete this conversation. So that's basically how you can turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.